Welcome to the IAF Client Portal. We've created this brief video to assist you to complete and submit an application. Please note, depending on the program you are applying for, different questions or requirements may appear on the application. This tutorial should assist you with the basics for any IAF application. Once you're logged in and have a validated organization, you're ready to get started on an application. When you log in to the IAF Client Portal, you'll arrive at the home screen. To begin an application, click here, Apply for Funding. Here you will find a list of programs currently accepting applications. Please review the programs and select the one that you would like to apply for. For more information, follow the links by each program to review eligible participants, activities, and more. If you're ready to get started, click the Apply button here. Now complete the application questions as prompted. If you see this type of box, simply click the answer you would like to add and click the arrow here. The items in the box on the right are submitted with the application. So in this example, I would like to answer yes to women, but we'll move youth back as we clicked that one in error. Keep answering the questions. When you hover to the left of a question, you will see a little sticky note. Click the note and type your comment. The team can see your comment and are able to provide guidance and respond. This program has 3 different categories for cost share funding. Click here to apply for the nitrogen management activities. Based on our answers here, additional details are required. We'll now add our details about the BMP we've selected, including description, acres, and total cost. And we'll just go ahead and complete the same information for the other activities we'd like cost share funding for. And if we just carry on to the other categories to complete the application. Should you see a green plus like this one, please click it to expand. Simply click the answer you would like to add and click the arrow here. If for some reason you need to step away from your application, please make sure you save it before closing your browser. It doesn't auto-save. Going back in, there's my applications in draft. If you don't see it, refresh your browser. To continue editing, click the Edit at the top of the page. Continue on from where you were, answering the questions and applying for the activities you'd like funding for. Again, the program you're applying for may have a different layout and questions. Now that we've completed the activities, you can see the total here. Due to some system limitations, this total will not appear accurately unless we press Save. So let's press Save and Continue. And here's the updated amount. For this program, if an individual item exceeds $20,000, you must provide a quote. To do that, upload your quotes here at the bottom of the application. Click here, drag the files into the box, or click the Add Files button and upload your required quotes. When you're done, click Start Upload. Once it says Upload Complete, close the window. Once you're done, press Save and Close. Take a moment to review the application and ensure you haven't made any errors. Click Edit at the top to make any updates. In this case, we're ready to go. We'll press Submit here. If you have a comment or question for the IAF team, please place it here. In this case, we don't, so we'll just click OK. The application is now listed as submitted. You'll notice the Edit button is now gone, as we cannot make any edits to a submitted application. The IAF team will review the application and reach out if they see any challenges for funding. If they do send the application back to you, you will receive an email, and when you log into the client portal, your application will be here, Applications to Edit. Review the feedback from the team and make the edits if necessary. Once again, save and close, review the application, and press Submit. We hope this tutorial has been a help. Please reach out if you need any further assistance. We're always here to help. Good luck with your application.